In this video, we are unboxing RLC-820A 4K PoE IP camera with person and vehicle detection and guiding you on how to install and set it up step by step. Open the box and take out the RLC-820A camera and other parts needed for installation and setup. RLC-820A is an easy-to-use smart PoE security camera powered by cutting-edge on-camera person or vehicle detection to give you more accuracy and free you from unwanted alarms without subscription. 4K Ultra HD video quality exactly meets your need when you want to record every move in crisp detail. 18 powerful infrared LEDs empower you to see from up to 100 feet away. The addition of 3D DNR technology makes low-light details even sharper with noise dramatically reduced. Built-in mic for audio recording with micro SD card socket placed on the bottom of the lens. RLC-820A supports up to 256 gigabytes micro SD card for local recordings. RLC-820A also comes packed with features such as IP66 certified waterproof, stunning time-lapse, and integration with Google Assistant, the network cable, the power port, and the reset button. Thanks to the PoE technology, RLC-820A is easy to power on and set up. Connect the camera to a PoE switch via an Ethernet cable. Connect the PoE switch to your router and power on the PoE switch. Open the Reolink app to set up the RLC-820A. Then, follow the in-app instructions to create the password and name for the camera. Choose the Wi-Fi network and connect your camera to it. Now, you can check the live view on the phone, or to experience the powerful functions such as person and vehicle detection, smart playback, etc. This turret camera is better mounted upside down outdoors or on your home ceiling due to its shape. Put the mounting template on the ceiling. Twist to detach the base plate. Drill holes and screw the base plate to the ceiling at the indicated locations. Attach the camera to the base plate and then lock it in position. To protect the camera from water intrusion, you may use the provided waterproof lid. For better image or video quality, please avoid facing the camera directly to sunlight or glass windows, and avoid mounting the camera in places where are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using RLC-820A 4K 8 megapixels PoE camera with smart person and vehicle detection, visit support.reolink.com.